ang ating dakilang Diyos, sapagkat ang araw ng Sabat ay kanyang ipinagkaloob upang sambahin at purihin siya, hilingin ang mga kahilingan at pasalamatan ang dapat pasalamatan sa lahat ng kabutihan ng ating Panginoon.
Amen.
So sa umagang ito mga kapatid, tayo muna ay dadako sa ating pag-aawitan, ating umpisahan ang ating pagpuri sa pag-aawit. Ating umpisahan ang ating mga himnal. Okay? We gather together. Hymn number 5. Mainit lang talaga. Wala tayong kuryente.
Opo. Alam mo, Kay.
Okay, nayayaan ko na mga kapatid na dito na tayo sa pagpupulong upang ating purihin ang Panginoon sa pamamagitan ng awit. Okay, we gather together at awit ng mga kapatid.
Kunin mo yung kay Sister Aisa, brother, dyan. Para hindi man baka yung dalawa lang.
We gather together to a Sabbath place, in chastity and His will to make known. The wicked of praising now cease from His praise, sing praises to His name, and forget that it's so. Beside us to guide us, our God with us joining, ordaining, maintaining His kingdom divine. So from the beginning, the pioneer we, thou Lord be our side, all glory be thine. We all do exalt thee, thou leader triumphant, and pray that thou see our defender will be. Let thy congregation escape tribulation, thy name be ever praised, O Lord, make us free. Para po sa ating opening song, ating pong awitin na may isang lupain mahinang, Sweet by and By. Okay, English, Sweet by and By. Sweet by and By, English, 279. 279. Kayong lahat ay tatayo para sa ating opening song. There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it apart, for the water will soon the way to prepare us a dwelling place there, and the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, and the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore. We shall sing on that beautiful shore the melodious songs of the blessed, and our spirits shall sorrow no more, at the sight for a blessing of rest, and the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore, and the sweet by and by we shall meet on that beautiful shore. To our bountiful Father above, we will offer solusyon.